So the natural gas issue, I think, could run through a large part of the winter, but much of that will depend on the sort of winter temperatures we get in Northern Europe, North America, and North Asia this winter. But it's clearly going to act as a drag on economic activity.
David, how much of a drag is this going to be? Because it's not just soaring gas prices. We also have Brent back above $80 a barrel for the first time in 3 years today. And at the same time, WTI also tracking at around 76.11 right now. If this impacts consumer spending and perhaps translates into inflation, this could have a significant impact on economic activity across the UK, the Eurozone and globally.
Yes, I mean, I'm not sure you can equate, short-term rises in energy prices, and there's a lag effect. I think what is more serious are the sort of supply chain issues that these rising prices are symptomatic of. We're seeing issues in Europe. We're also seeing issues in Asia. China is grappling with shortages of coal supply. They're actually asking factories to ramp down production in the fourth quarter. They're asking power generators to restrict supply, partly because of supply chain issues and partly because of concerns about air quality and environmental pollution. So, a number of the major investment banks are scaling back their forecasts for fourth quarter GDP growth in Asia, knocking maybe anything up to 0.3, 0.4% off their expectations for 2021 growth in China. And we may well see a slowdown in activity in the UK and in Europe as well.
And just on the price fundamentals, do you think $80 oil is justified right now?
I think through the course of 2021, we've seen a tightening of supply-demand fundamentals in the oil market. Inventories are now back below the 5-year average. What we're seeing at the moment is that that's being exacerbated by a number of supply-side issues again in the crude oil market. A number of OPEC producers who haven't been able to return the barrels to the market on a monthly basis that they said that they would. It looks like a deal with Iran for them to increase their supply is several months off at least. So, there's plenty of fundamental support for crude through the end of this year. We're not so sure that persists into 2022, but, it very much depends on, again, some of these supply side issues.